Rounding of numbers is to find approximate number. It also helps in estimate. But why rounding off is necessary? See these examples. For example, daily temperatures are often rounded to the nearest degree Celsius. 25.7 degrees Celsius is generally reported as 26 degrees Celsius. And people often use rounding and estimating at a store to make sure they have enough money to pay for items before they get to the cashier. In similar way, if you read newspaper, then you can find out easily that newspapers often round off large numbers to take up less space. For example, if they may print 50 crore, they rather than 50 crore 12 lakh 45,765. For any these kind of large numbers, they usually use round off value of that particular number. We should remember this rounding coaster every time whenever we will do round off. That is related to round up and round down. If the particular number is 4 or less than, then it will be round down like this. 34 will be 30, 52 will be 50, 21 will be 20, 63 will be 60. It is round down. All the values after round off are less than the actual values. And in case these digits are 5 or more than 5, then it will be round up like this. 87 will be 90, 35 will be 40, 19 will be 20, 46 will be 50. Because in 87 the particular digit is 7, which is more than 5. In 35 this particular digit is 5, which is equals to 5. And in this digit it is 9, which is again more than 5. And here also 6, which is again more than 5. And all these values are greater than these values, these actual values. That's why it is called round up and it is called round down. Let us understand the steps. First is underline the digit in the given place. For example, if we have to round 23 to the nearest tens, then what we will do? Here it is 23. So what we will do? At first we will underline the required place. We have to round off up to tens place. So that's why ones tens, 2 is at tens place. We will underline that 2. And second step is circle the number to its right. Here is 3. 3 is at right of 2. That's why we will circle this 3. Then we will just observe that 3 is either less than 5 or greater than 5. And you know that 3 is less than 5. It means it is a situation of round down. So it will be 23 will be 20. We will replace all the digit to the right of the given place with zeros and 2 will be 2. No change in this underlined digit. That's why it is 20. Next question is round off to the nearest 10,000. It is the question 63,809. I have written this here in place value chart. Now at first we have to round off to the nearest 10,000. That's why we will underline the digit of 10,000's place, and at 10,000's place there is 6. We will underline it. Then we will circle the number to its right, and to its right is 3. We will circle it and we have to compare this 3 with 5, and we know that 3 is less than 5. That's why it is the condition of round down. Round down means 6 will be 6 only and rest of the digits will be 0. That's why it is 60,000. Let us take one more example. It is a number 3,25,523 and we have to round off to the nearest 10,000. At first we will underline the digit of 10,000's place. It means we will underline this 2 which is at 10,000's place. Next step is circle the number to its right. It's right. There is a number which is 5. We will circle it and we will compare this 5 with 5. It is 5 equals to 5. It means round up and replace all the digits to the right of given place with zeros, and it will be this 3,30,000 because this 2 will be 3 now. Round up. It is the condition of round up. Next example is round off to the nearest 1 lakh. See, here is a question 4,61,223. Here we have to round up to the nearest 1 lakh. It means we will underline the digit of lakhs place. At lakhs place there is a digit 4. We will underline this and we will circle the number to its right, means we will circle 6 and we will compare this 6 with 5. It means 6 which is greater than 5. That's why it is a situation of round up. We will do plus 1 in this underlined digit and it will be 5 and rest of the digit will be 0. That's why it is 5 lakh. Let us take one more example. This is again round off to the nearest 1 lakh, but the number is this 16,25,106. I have written this number in this place value chart. At first we have to underline the digit of lakhs place. At lakhs place we can see there is 6. So we will underline this and we will circle the digit which is to its right. This is 2 and we will compare this 2 with 5 and we know that 2 is less than 5. That's why it is a situation of round down. 6 will be 6 only. So that's why it is 16 lakh. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.